He's trying to kill him. He's gonna kill the little boy. Listen, do you hear that? Shh. Look out. Careful. Okay. God. Whoa! No, I'm just kidding. Dang. Careful! Squirrel! He's like, I like little kids. Oh! It's okay. Oh, God. Oh, God! He's gonna kill him! I hope it's okay if your little brother Chandler dies, because our dog is jumping on him and killing him. You answer it.
No. No, you
He's barking! You have to get this on film. Get it on film. Film every single bit of it. Yeah? Hello? Hey, Dad. Nothing. Yes. Yeah.
Hi, doing James.
What?
Daddy.
Haley, our dog
Yes.
is killing your brother.
Good.
Our dog is growling at him.
Okay. Okay. Love you too. Bye. This is funny. Oh, God. Is he attacking him now? Has he started attacking him yet? Are you okay, Chandler? He's trying to climb over the fence and get away. God.
Chandler, don't do that.
Chandler, are you okay? Let him back in.